What's up guys, thanks for tuning into my channel today. I am so excited. I've been waiting for these parts for a while. So behind me on the table you're going to see this Superpro roll control sway bars. So pretty excited about this. This is going to be the first part of a 4-part series. So I'm going to do a review today of just the front and rear unboxing, and then I'm going to have a second video of installing the front one, a third video installing the rear one, and then fourth video of installing some suspension components, and then a fifth video of driving everything and seeing how it all controls. So if you'd like to see that stuff and keep track of my journey along the way, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you can kind of watch me work my way through this series. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox them and see what comes inside. So this is the front one. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. And this is adjustable, which is the reason I went the Superpro ones. Motive, the Motive Skyline, or what is it, like Motive DVD. Those guys in Australia, they built all kinds of crazy GTRs, and those guys went with this type of sway bar system. So I figured it has to be good. I was originally contemplating going with Teen because I know Teen is really good build quality. That's what I had on my old WRX, was Teen front and rear sway bars. But there's no adjustability, and what I like about the Superpro is you can kind of go for either more of a soft on the outside or firm on the inside for the front. And the rear gives you 3 adjustments. So the front's a 22mm bar, this is a 24. The stock front bar is 20, so it's 2mm thicker. The rear one is 20, which is stock on the GTR. And this is 24. So you can go soft, medium, or hard there. So I like the adjustability. And then this comes with the polyurethane bushings versus rubber. So that should give you a little bit stiffer, more response there. And then as far as if anybody's wondering if you have to replace the front end links to go with aftermarket ones, because the rear comes with a aftermarket polyurethane end links, full stiffness and everything is improved. The front roll control bar is designed to work with the OEM end links. So I just went ahead and reordered brand new OEM end links, and that's coming from Superpro directly out of Australia. I contacted them to verify. So, and then it comes with the MP grease for lubing your polyurethane bushings. And these will slip right into the factory brackets when you remove the factory rubber bushings. And then this comes with all the bushings and everything for the rear. And it has installation instructions and everything, and like I was saying, there's a soft, medium, hard. So if you're on the outside, you're going to have more leverage against the bar, so that's obviously soft, and as you move more towards the inside, that's going to be your hard settings. And a big reason I went with the Superpros over like white line, you can find those everywhere in the US, is the white lines, the way they finish the product and like coat them and treat them, they rust and stuff. They're known for a lot of rust, and then these Superpros are supposed to be built with higher specs, better quality, and multiple layers of like powder coating and painting and stuff to keep them from rusting and looking nice underneath the chassis of your vehicle. And these are all made within fine tolerances. They use like really good spring metal according to like the website from what I read. So they're supposed to be like one of the best ones as far as what you can get for your money. And it says right on in the instructions that when installing the sway bar with the blade adjustment mount, it is recommended to set the vehicle to the softest setting point to begin. And it recommends checking them every 1,000 kilometers or 600 miles of use. So I don't know if they want you to check the adjustments as far as like your grease to make sure your bushings are good, or make sure all your bolts are checked. But good to always be safe. But anyway, guys, today's video is going to be pretty short. This is just kind of a little introduction to take a look at the sway bars and go over them. My next video will be installing the front ones, so stay tuned, and the video should be up shortly after you view this one. And like always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.